You can start your project with high definition render pipeline or lightweight pipeline. Creating our first shader, you can do it by pressing the right button and in Create select shader. As it is now, you can select the PBR graph. Now create the sphere by clicking the right button, select 3D object, then sphere. In the left top corner you have a small window where you can add public variables like float vectors, texture and much more. Drag the metallic property and attach the dot of metallic property to the PBR master so that you can change the property in the inspector. You can add the texture to PBR by creating a node of sample texture 2D and attach it to the PBR master. We can control the color of our texture by using the multiply node, which is multiply our texture with our color, and you can see the preview of our shader. You can change the color intensity by multiply the color with vector 1, which is the intensity. Let's make this texture scrollable. We can scroll by making a node tilling an offset which can connect to the UV inputs of the sample texture 2D. If you set the value 0.5 in the y-axis, then we can see in the multiply preview that the texture is scrolling. We can create normal maps directly from the texture by creating a normal texture node. We can connect the main texture input to the normal texture and connect it to the PBR master. We can control the strength of normal map. And here we have a shader that can scroll normal strength, normal speed, color intensity, and then you can do much more.